I'm very happy to join you to you all. This is Tunisha Girali, grade 10 from St. Mary's High School. The topic of my poem is Trapped. Introduced himself as an uncle of a friend, only too delighted was I to know him. For he said, I could work and earn, have all those luxuries, all those things I yearned for. So I packed my bag and bid goodbye to go to some far-away land. Only too delighted was I to know him. Told he in our long journey how wonderful life would be. He handed me a can of soft drink, and I was nowhere to be. As I wake up, I find myself dizzy, and for the fact that there was nothing I could see, for locked was I in an enclosed, dark room, hurt my ears as I recollect myself. Dear, she'll reach to you tomorrow. Have a nice time. And a nasty laugh that followed, unaware as to what was to happen to me. After a while, a door flings open, and I can see you walking towards me, saying, you believed me, didn't you? And throws a plate of junk with a crash and deafening silence, only to hear my tears drop. Ah, please stop, don't do this to me. Please, let me go, leave me. I scream, but no one to hear that cry, only to laugh their souls out looking at me like they cried. That fear, that feeling of danger, that feeling of anger, that feeling of regret, that feeling of lost life, that feeling of death, that had turned me into a person I never knew, a person I never wanted to become, a person lost with no self-worth, a person that had died, a person with AIDS now thrown to rot. Please wake up, don't lose yourself, we're here to help you. I hear them tell me. I cry. Please save me, help, those beasts will kill me. Please help me. And today, a strong, unbeatable woman, I stand. For I brought love, courage, hope. For now I have been taken out of that miserable world, that world I never want to be a part of again. Fighting to save those others like me, making them strong, stronger than ever.